seriously, lots of dreaming, lots of waking dreams, a little bit of paper and pencil work.
So Danica, what is your hopes and dreams for this roof?
Make it aesthetic and like pretty.
Okay.
And so like people come in and admire it and like say, oh my god, this house is amazing.
You remember what it was like out there before?
Yeah, I do.
With the wood beams that were rotten?
Yeah.
We were holding them together with a tie down? Yeah. So last summer we tore all of that down. Now we need to put an A-frame roof on the top.
All right, so how long, Chad and Roger, did it take for us to design the structure?
About 6 days.
6 days?
6 days. That's much longer than my 15-minute
Right?
estimate. Yeah.
Yeah, well, we had to redesign it.
Raw material for the awning. Some lovely beams. Come here! Come here, girl! Yeah. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to take out this wonderful wisteria. Smile. You're on candy camera. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cross beams. They had cut a notch in them. So the idea is that these are the top pillars. We got 1, we got 2, and then we're gonna put the beam here, across in the middle for the A-frame. So right now, because they cut it, we need to seal it. So here we go. The beams were kind of tilted like that. So what we ended up doing is before we put the roof on, we need to make it in the right, make it level. So we put in a strap over here to anchor it down. And then we have to strap the front, because once we did the back, the front was leaning. So we decided that our Tesla needed to be involved in the picture. So it is now slightly holding up to the side. We're gonna go through and re-level everything and make sure it's aligned before we put the roof on. Yay! You look like a rock star. We reinforce the edges. It's over here. That's super strong now.
Yeah.
So we notched the top so that the rafters will go up and they'll have a perfect angle. Now they're putting in screws on the top to make this is so exciting.
Hammer.
So what do you guys think about it?
I think it's very pretty.
Yay! What about you, Emily?
Quite agree right now.
I think it's fantastic.
We are on day 2 of our project to finish the roofing on the awning.
Because we've figured out how to actually do this well.
Measure the distance from here, which is some place in space up there, to here, which is the corner. Cut that exact measurement. And we have a special template notch. And we put that at the bottom, right where it hits the 4x6. Cut that piece out, set it up there, and attach. All is good. Okay, so we've been measuring these custom fits and for each one because the angles are not perfect. So
what we're doing to get this into a 30-degree angle is we put this off 30 degree, and you see when you put it down, it has a line. That's where the blade is. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're going to match up that blade line so that this corner, the shadow on this corner, it hits that corner. All right. Make sure that the saw doesn't move anywhere, and here we go. And then of course we have our jar of antifungal. So all the fresh cuts get a layer of antifungal to prevent it from growing fungus. So we're trying it out. All right, so it is our third day of this project. We ran into a little bit of a hiccup. We ran out of material yesterday, and it was Sunday, which means none of the material places were open. Oh well, so now we have to extend it for today. So now we got our new helper, Wyatt. Let's see you get it hammer in the bracket. Look who got all puckered out and was tired. What do you think, huh? You stayed in my car. Silly girl. And there is my amazing husband working. Yeah. Hi. She's also getting into the action, doing some good hammering. Look at, we have some pretty good rafters going up. Starting to look like a legit entryway. Oh yeah.